if you see, there is a lot of IPOs is clouding over on the month end and the weekend of October. And in that case, if you see, the first week of November is having lots of holiday, so people really interested to invest into the market, and there are a number of IPOs are opening, as like the IPO has came in the month of March as well as in the September. So right now we are going to talk about one of the pharma company which is going to open their issue during this month end, and that is Sigachi Industry Limited IPO. Ridhivej Finance presenting Sigachi Industry Limited IPO 2021. We are going to talk about Sigachi Industry Limited company detail. This company has started as Sigachi Industry Limited originally incorporated at Sigachi Chlorochemicals Private Limited in the year of 1989, that January 11th. And yes, if you see, they have changed their name is into the Public Limited since 2012. And they have received the fresh certificate on 9 December 2019. As yes, they are based in Telangana at Hyderabad. So basically, this company has based in Kalyan Tulsi Ram Chamber, Mandiguda, Hyderabad 500049, Telangana, India. For further information, please log on to their website and you will find a lot of detail about them. So over here we are talking about this company and we will explore it, how this company has started quite back, but we are going to talk right now. Sigachi established in India through Asia, Australia and American continent, Europe and the Middle East of quality conscious and reliable supplier with incremental innovation as a focus. We are constantly endeavoring to bring out new differentiating products that are address neglected needs of food processing and pharmaceutical market. Our product have application in pharmaceutical industry, nutraceutical and supplement industry, the food ingredient industry and the drug formulation sectors. All around the globe, customers recognize and appreciate our product quality. Sigachi Industry Limited export approximately 60% of its product to global regulated market in 40 plus countries worldwide. Sigachi Industries Limited is in needs of American market through the subsidiaries of Sigachi US Inc. Corporation. So this company has already having a global footprint, and yes, in that case we are going to elaborate something about this company which might be worth taking for the company. Basically, for this IPO analysis we are going to talk, not for the company, we will talk about the IPO analysis. So what exactly we are going to tell about this IPO analysis, that is, yes, in that case we are wanted to focus few things, basically few things in the sense what their customers, what exactly their strategy. See, without customer nobody can go and find out the business. If you wanted to sustain into the market for a long term, you need what exactly, customer base and all. So for that purpose we are going to talk about this company and their presence and then what they doing, etc., etc. Dear investors, do you think if you have any kind of review about our basically our videos, you can have a view in your opinion. Yes, there are few comments where we have not actually reply over that. It doesn't mean that we are not working on that. We will work with the perfectly reasons. Like there is a one IPO where somebody from their company secretary, somebody has commented us, but we have not given the answer to that, because believe me, in that video already we have given some answers. So that's the reason we have not given answer to that person, where this company basically expecting us to post it, but we have not did it. Because see, we do research and everything based on the company strategy, whatever they submitted to the basically they submitted to the government of India. Okay, we are not going to go along with any websites and all. So right now we are talking about this Sigachi global presence, and in that case, if you see, they have currently exported their product in 41 countries, including Australia, USA, South America, UK, Poland, Italy, Denmark, China, Colombia, Bangladesh, and plan to expand export globally. Our primary focus on diversifying customer base on our customer specification and requirements, and in that case capacity to reduce the cost, wide range of product specifications and services, adherence to the global standard, market initiative and competitive pricing, and more efficient user of resources. We intend to expand our global footprint and diversify the product in various industry. So dear investor, this company is not only targeting the health sector and market, but these people are targeting lot more other than that. Means like if you see on their website, yes, they are basically their product industry. If you see, they are targeting industries in pharmaceutical, food and nutraceutical, cosmetics and chemicals. Nowadays chemicals is used in lot. Cosmetics is a craze for youth, and food and nutraceutical is really booming, yeah, we can say. And in that case pharmaceutical is evergreen basically. They are into API, pre-formulated excipients, high functionality excipients, thickener, stabilizer, binder, lubricant, carries sub ingredients. In case of food and nutraceutical, they are into nutraceutical formulation and use ready to use additive, stabilizer, dietary fiber. Skincare, they are having product for skincare, hair care and toiletry. And then they are having the chemicals. Okay, so we are talking about this very soonly about their product. Dear investors, if you see their path since 1989, in the year of 1989 they are incorporation of private company in the name of Sigachi Chlorochemicals Private Limited, business to manufacturing paraffin oil with the focus to cater niche segment of a customer with prime quality of products. 1990, since our company saw the growth of business operation to decide diversify business activity to manufacture microcrystalline cellulose, which was also domain of our directors. Since 1996, our company has begun in-house manufacturing alpha cellulose, a key raw material required manufacturing our final product microcrystalline cellulose. In the year of 1998, our company commenced its export operation by exporting our product microcrystalline cellulose to Bangkok. In the year of 2000, our company started manufacturing premium grade of microcrystalline cellulose by successfully commissioned spray dryer and multi-fuel furnace, which is turn also increase our manufacturing capacity from 720 metric tons per annum to 1080 metric tons per annum. In the year of 2004, the sale of our export constitute 32% of total sales during financial year. In the year of 2006, our research and development laboratory received accreditation from Department of Science and Industrial Research DSIR to undertake research and development. In the year of 2007, our company's first time registered drug master file DMF under the US FDA, enabling us augment our export operations. In the year of 2008, setting up a new unit of manufacturing microcrystalline cellulose in Jhagadia, Gujarat. In the year of 2009, setting up 100% export oriented unit EOU manufacturing microcrystalline cellulose in the special economic zone SEZ at Dahej, Gujarat. In the year of 2010, our company commenced commercial production microcrystalline cellulose at our manufacturing unit situated at Jhagadia. In the year of 2011, research and development division, our company innovated novel filtration process for manufacturing microcrystalline cellulose. In the year of 2012, our company commenced commercial production microcrystalline cellulose at manufacturing unit situated at Dahej. 2014 approval received scheme arrangement executed for merger Singaji Cellulose Private Limited to Singaji Plastic Sizer Private Limited with our company. Our company received certificate suitable received from European Directorate of Quality Medicine. 2016, our company received certificate registration from TUV Private Limited, India Private Limited, certified that management system applied by us in our manufacturing unit situated at Jhagadia as per ISO 9001-2008. In 2020, our company received certificate registration from Unit Register System, certified that the quality management system of all our manufacturing unit is compliance with ISO 9001-2015. Our company received certificate of registration from TUV North Cert GmbH, applying management system as per Food Safety System Certification 2000 version 4.1 in our manufacturing unit situated at Hyderabad. Singaji Industry Limited IPO detail issue will be open on the November 1st, 2021. IPO closing date will be November 3rd, 2021. Issue type book build issue IPO face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price band between 161 to 163 per equity share. Market lot size will be 90 shares per lot. Minimum order quantity 90 shares minimum. And listing at a BSE and NSE. Basis of allotment date will be 10th November 2021. Initiation of refund will be 11th November 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will happen on 12th November 2021. IPO listing date will be 15th November 2021. Minimum you can apply for one lot, which is costing you 14,670 INR only for 90 shares, and maximum you can apply 13 lot, which will cost you around 1,90,710 Indian INR rupees, and where you can receive maximum will shares will goes up to 1,170 only. Riddhivesh Finance gives special tips for all investors and viewers but before that you have to study from your end. Don't depends on us. This is just a static which we are going to give you about subscription prediction, and later on we can give a prediction about the GMP too. Right now we are talking about Sigachi Industry Limited IPO, and this company is since last more than 3 decades. So we are expecting this company get subscribed more between for minimum 45% to 90% maximum, or it can cross 120 also. Please keep watch on a gray market strategy, market risk on own decision. Dear investor, this company is quite old, so that's the reason we are expecting this get oversubscribed. Hopefully it may comes true, because we are not only investors, so it can't be true, we can't be judge it, but we are expecting or hoping about this company. Okay, and pharmaceutical, healthcare, or even a food industry or exporter, those are doing a well business as economically during this COVID and right now too, or even in the future. So choice is yours, investor. You can go through your own study first and then only invest in any company. Thank you by Vriddhivesh Finance. And dear investor, yes, we are going to talk about little more about this company. So if you wanted to some skincare product, you can go ahead with this, because if world accept any company, then absolutely we can accept it, because world doesn't know, world really accept once. That is, here we are not doing any ad about Sigachi, but yeah, we can tell little things about this Sigachi, the skincare or cosmetic products, or you can do log on their website and find out your suitable product, rather than we explaining your product portfolio over here. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.